This mini-series will be reviewing each law from the 48 laws of power. We will be dissecting each law and putting them into simple context, so that you can easily understand and apply each law to your own life. After watching this video, you will have a clear, concise understanding of how to apply this law in your own life. In this video, we will be looking at Law 4 and why it is absolutely crucial to always less than necessary. The 48 Laws of Power is a handbook on the art of human interaction. The laws are based on the writings of men and women who have studied and mastered the game of power. These writings span a period of more than 3,000 years, created in civilizations as disparate as ancient China, the mighty Roman Empire, and Renaissance Italy. Yet they share common threads and themes together, hinting at the essence of power that has yet to be fully articulated. Law number 4. Always say less than necessary. When you are trying to impress people with words, the more you say, the more common you appear, and the less in control. Even if you are saying something banal, it will seem original if you make it vague, open-ended, and sphinx-like. Use decoyed objects of desire and red herrings to throw your enemies off the scent. Let's put this into context. You have a problem at work that involves your manager. Your manager is a tyrannical, arrogant narcissist. Instead of openly speaking out against this tyrant, you bite your tongue. You strategize and think deeply instead of speaking out. No one knows how you truly feel about this autocrat. Eventually, the perfect opportunity arises and you catch this tyrant acting against the company. You point this out to your boss, whom is disgusted. He fires this tyrant. Had you acted out of emotion and outwardly revealed your hostile feelings, your boss would not have taken the allegations seriously. He would have simply thought you had a grudge against this tyrant and were being emotional. Seeing as you said less than necessary when the right opportunity arose, you won. We hope you enjoyed this video and gained the knowledge and understanding of how to bring this law into your everyday life. The follow-up to this video will be addressing and studying Law 5. Subscribe and like for more content on power, perspicacity, indefatigability. Stay alert and powerful.